Here's everything you need to know about growing your own garlic in coastal BC. Planting time is anywhere from late September, early November. Choose a site with 5 to 6 hours of winter sun or more. If you have poor drainage, choose raised beds or hilled rows. Garlic prefers a neutral pH, so add some lime, and if you need to amend the soil to make it richer, use mushroom manure a month before, or you can use SeaSoil right up to the day of planting. On the day of planting, I recommend you amend the rows with some Gaia Green 444 and some Gypsum, which provides sulfur, which will give you better tasting garlic. It's important not to split your bulbs until the day of planting because they'll root in much faster for you. If you have any cloves that are small or have lost their skin, save these for cooking. Spacing for regular garlic or allium sativum is 6 inches between cloves, 12 inches between rows. For planting, you want to dig a hole about 3 inches deep, add a pinch of bone meal, and by the time you're planted, the tip of that garlic is just 2 inches below the soil surface.